Have you ever wondered why some homes instantly feel calm, fresh, and luxurious? The secret isn't expensive furniture or fancy decorations. It's the right indoor plants. This year's top indoor plants are more beautiful, easier to care for, and better at improving your living space than ever before. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced plant lover, these amazing plants can transform your home into a green paradise. Some clean the air, some thrive in low light, and others simply make every room look stunning. Stay until the end, because the final plant on this list has become one of the most sought-after houseplants of the year, and you'll definitely want one in your collection. Let's discover the 10 best indoor plants everyone is talking about this year. 1. Monstera Deliciosa, the king of indoor plants. Monstera Deliciosa continues to dominate indoor gardening because of its dramatic split leaves and tropical appearance. It instantly turns any ordinary room into a stylish indoor jungle. One of the biggest reasons for its popularity is its rapid growth when provided with bright, indirect sunlight. Young leaves start out small, but as the plant matures, the famous natural holes and splits begin to appear, making each leaf look like a work of art. Monsteras enjoy slightly moist soil, but dislike standing water. Allow the top inch of soil to dry before watering again. They appreciate moderate humidity, although they adapt surprisingly well to normal indoor conditions. Feeding them with a balanced liquid fertilizer every month during spring and summer encourages bigger leaves and stronger stems. Besides being beautiful, Monstera plants are relatively forgiving. Even if you occasionally forget to water them, they'll usually recover quickly. Rotate the pot every few weeks, so every side receives equal light, resulting in balanced growth. With proper care, this impressive plant becomes the centerpiece of any home and remains one of the year's absolute favorites. 2. Snake plant, nearly impossible to kill. The snake plant earns its reputation as one of the toughest houseplants available. Its upright, sword-like leaves create a modern, elegant appearance, while requiring very little attention. This makes it perfect for busy homeowners, beginners, students, or anyone who occasionally forgets to water their plants. Snake plants thrive in almost any lighting condition, from bright, indirect light to low-light corners. They store water inside their thick leaves, allowing them to survive weeks without watering. Overwatering is actually the biggest mistake people make, so always let the soil dry completely before watering again. Another reason this plant remains incredibly popular is its excellent air purifying ability. Many people love placing snake plants in bedrooms because they continue exchanging gases at night, making them unique among common houseplants. Their architectural shape also complements nearly every decorating style, whether modern, minimalist, rustic, or traditional. With minimal effort and years of dependable beauty, snake plants continue to rank among the best indoor plants every single year. 3. ZZ plant, the ultimate low-maintenance beauty. If there were an award for the easiest indoor plant, the ZZ plant would be a top contender. Its glossy dark green leaves always appear polished, giving homes an elegant and healthy appearance. Despite its luxurious look, this plant asks for almost nothing in return. ZZ plants grow well in low light, moderate light, or bright, indirect light. They store moisture inside underground rhizomes, allowing them to survive long periods without watering. In fact, watering only every 2 to 4 weeks is often enough. Because of its slow growth, the ZZ plant keeps its neat appearance for years without becoming oversized. Dusting the leaves occasionally helps maximize photosynthesis and keeps them looking shiny. Fertilizing lightly during the growing season promotes new shoots, but even without fertilizer, this resilient plant continues thriving. Whether placed in an office, apartment, hallway, or bedroom, the ZZ plant offers year-round greenery with almost zero maintenance, making it one of this year's most recommended indoor plants. 4. Peace lily, elegant flowers and cleaner air. Peace lilies remain a favorite because they combine lush green foliage with elegant white blooms. Unlike many flowering houseplants, they bloom indoors with proper care, adding beauty without demanding constant attention. These plants prefer medium to bright indirect light and evenly moist soil. Interestingly, peace lilies communicate when they need water by dramatically drooping their leaves. Once watered, they often stand upright again within hours, making it easy to know exactly when they're thirsty. Their broad, glossy leaves also create a relaxing tropical atmosphere. Higher humidity encourages healthier foliage and more frequent flowering, though they adapt well to average indoor environments. Removing faded flowers helps direct energy toward producing new blooms. A balanced fertilizer once a month during active growth keeps them healthy and vibrant. Combining elegant flowers, attractive foliage, and reliable performance makes the peace lily one of the year's most beloved indoor plants. 5. Pothos, the fast-growing trailing favorite. Pothos has earned worldwide popularity because it grows quickly and adapts to almost every indoor environment. Its cascading vines make it perfect for hanging baskets, bookshelves, desks, or wall-mounted planters. Golden Pothos, Marble Queen, Neon, and Satin varieties all offer unique leaf colors while sharing similar easy care requirements. Bright indirect light produces the most colorful leaves, but Pothos also grows surprisingly well under lower light conditions. Allow the soil to partially dry between waterings to prevent root problems. Pruning encourages fuller growth while providing cuttings that root easily in water, allowing you to create endless new plants for free. This combination of beauty, versatility, and effortless propagation explains why Pothos continues ranking among the year's top indoor plants for beginners and experienced collectors alike. 6. Rubber plant, bold, stylish, and easy. Rubber plants make a dramatic statement with their thick, glossy leaves and upright growth. Available in green, burgundy, and colorful variegated varieties, they easily become living sculptures inside modern homes. Bright, indirect sunlight encourages faster growth and richer leaf color. Water only after the top portion of soil dries, and avoid letting roots sit in soggy soil. Their thick leaves naturally store moisture, helping them tolerate occasional mist waterings. Cleaning the large leaves regularly removes dust while enhancing their natural shine. Pruning the growing tip encourages branching, producing a fuller, bushier appearance. Rubber plants also adapt well to indoor temperatures and continue growing for many years. Their combination of elegance, durability, and impressive size secures their place among this year's best indoor plants. 7. Spider plant. Perfect for every home. Spider plants remain incredibly popular thanks to their graceful arching leaves and remarkable ability to produce baby plants. These spiderettes hang from long stems, creating a beautiful cascading display that adds movement to any room. Spider plants thrive in bright, indirect light, but also tolerate lower lighting surprisingly well. Water, when the top layer of soil feels dry, and occasionally flush the soil to remove excess minerals that can cause brown leaf tips. One of the greatest joys of owning a spider plant is propagation. The baby plants can simply be rooted in water or directly in soil, quickly creating an entire collection. They also adapt well to hanging baskets, shelves, or tabletops. Their forgiving nature and decorative appearance continue making spider plants one of the year's smartest choices for indoor gardeners. 8. Chinese Evergreen. Colorful and reliable. Chinese evergreens have become increasingly popular because modern varieties feature incredible leaf colors, including silver, pink, red, cream, and green combinations. They brighten indoor spaces even without flowers. These plants excel in medium and low light, making them excellent for offices and rooms with limited sunlight. They appreciate evenly moist soil, but dislike overwatering, so allow the surface to dry slightly before watering again. Chinese evergreens also tolerate indoor humidity better than many tropical plants, making them easier for beginners. Slow, steady growth means less maintenance while still providing year-round beauty. Their colorful foliage and dependable performance ensure they remain among the best indoor plants of the year. 9. Philodendron Brasil. Vibrant and fast-growing. Philodendron Brasil captures attention with its heart-shaped leaves, streaked in brilliant shades of green and yellow. Its colorful vines create an energetic, tropical atmosphere while remaining incredibly easy to maintain. This plant grows best in bright, indirect light, although it tolerates medium light conditions quite well. Water when the top inch of soil dries, and provide occasional fertilizer during spring and summer to encourage lush growth. Its trailing stems look spectacular, cascading from hanging baskets or climbing moss poles. Regular trimming creates fuller growth while producing cuttings that root quickly in water. The combination of colorful foliage, rapid growth, and simple care has made Philodendron Brasil one of the fastest rising favorites among indoor plant enthusiasts this year. 10. Bird of Paradise. The ultimate statement plant. If you're looking for a plant that instantly impresses visitors, the Bird of Paradise is hard to beat. Its enormous, paddle-shaped leaves create a luxurious tropical atmosphere that rivals expensive interior decorations. This plant prefers bright light, including several hours of gentle, direct sunlight each day. Consistent watering during active growth encourages vigorous leaf production, while slightly reducing watering during winter helps prevent root issues. Although indoor flowering is less common, the dramatic foliage alone makes this plant worth growing. Wiping the large leaves regularly keeps them glossy and healthy. Given enough space and patience, the bird of paradise becomes a magnificent centerpiece that transforms any room into a tropical retreat. Its bold appearance earns it a well-deserved place among the very best indoor plants of the year. Indoor plants do far more than decorate your home. They create a healthier, more relaxing environment while bringing nature indoors. Whether you choose the nearly indestructible snake plant, the elegant peace lily, the trendy monstera, or the spectacular bird of paradise, each of these plants offers beauty with surprisingly simple care. Start with one, build your collection over time, and enjoy watching your indoor garden transform your living space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more indoor plant tips, care guides, and gardening inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.